Hi everyone. Module 2C is titled Collaborating with Others and Working with Reports. This is Word Chapter 3 in your book. And in this module, you'll be working on building skills in these areas that I have listed here. And so it'll be inserting, editing, and customizing comments. So that's the collaborating with others part of this. You can also review a document and track changes. So for example, if you write a paper and you turn it over to me just for my review and I add comments in there, I can add comments. You can accept my changes. You can reject my changes. You can see who made the comments. So you'll be doing some of that. And again, that's part of the whole collaborating with others. When it comes to working with reports, think about what it takes to put together a research paper. So things like a table of contents, a bibliography, or citations. And you're going to learn the skills to build those documents in Microsoft Word. There's a lot of built-in functionality that will generate a table of contents for you, will generate a bibliography or a works cited page for you, and it's actually quite easy to use. So I opened up your starter file for the project that you're assigned in this section. And this is what it looks like. So I wanted to share this with you so that you can see what I meant by comments and collaborating with others. So all of that is under the review tab, right? And you have show comments turned on. And notice what you have going on here. You have these lines showing where someone may have recommended a change. There's the little bubble for communication. And here you have some comments throughout your document. So you're going to be reviewing some of that. You can see this is where someone would have made a change. You know, I don't like this type of bullet, the circle. I want to put in a square instead. Little things like that. Okay, so keep all of that in mind as you're working with collaboration. That is, again, the comments, the markup, all of that. And then when it comes to working with table of contents and works cited or bibliographies, that's all under references. So you'll be working in this area. Table of contents is here, inserting endnotes, footnotes, all kinds of things. And then lastly, the only thing I wanted to mention is when you generate a table of contents, I mean, I remember working with Word when this was not a functionality and you had to type it in yourself. But what makes it work for you is these types of styles. So I'm in the Home tab. The styles, you know, calling things headings, then will be pulled out and added to the table of contents because it's a heading. All right, so you're going to be jumping around a little bit between the Home tab, References, and Review in the project that's assigned in this module. So the two assignments you have are same as before. The first one is the sim book, so make sure you read through those and work on the Let Me Tries. Your grade is made up the same way as before. It is on the Let Me Try activity. And then finally the project, and again, you also have 4 submissions on this project. So once you submit, review the results, and if you have anything incorrect, you can make your updates and resubmit. As always, feel free to email me if you have any questions. Just keep in mind that these assignments are due next week. Thanks.